Warm good morning to one and all. Myself, I'm Angel P. Shibu of class 10th. Today, I would like to say a few words about International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking. It's observed on June 26 to strengthen global action and cooperation to achieve the goal of an international society free of drug abuse. Observance of this day aims to raise awareness to fight against the substance abuse as well as the unlawful trade of drugs. International Day Against the Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking was the first observed by the UN General Assembly in 1987. According to the World Drug Report 2017 released by the United Nations Office on Drugs and Crime, about the quarter of a billion people abuse. Thank you.
Drug Day is marked on 26 June every year to strengthen action and cooperation in achieving the goal of a world free of drug abuse. And each year, individuals like ourselves, entire communities, and various organizations all over the world join in on this global observance to raise awareness of the major problem that illicit drugs represent for society. Every year, UNODC issues the World Drug Report, full of key statistics and factual data obtained through official sources, a science-based approach and research. UNODC continues to provide facts and practical solutions to address the current world drug problem and remains committed to attaining a vision of health for all based on science. World Drug Day is a day to share research findings, evidence-based data, and life-saving facts, and to continue tapping into a shared spirit of solidarity.
Respected Principal, teachers and my friends. Myself Devananda Hanish of class 9. Today I am standing in front of you to deliver a short speech about drug addiction. Nowadays, drug addiction is a very severe problem around the whole world. When you are addicted, you may not be able to control your drug use and you may continue using the drug despite the harm it causes. Drug addiction can cause an intense craving for the drug. You may want to quit, but most people find they can't do it on their own. Not everyone who uses drugs become addicted, but for many, what starts as casual use leads to drug addiction. Drug addiction can cause serious long-term consequences, including problems with physical and mental health. You may need help from your doctor, family, friends, and other organizations to overcome the drug addiction. So don't spoil your life. Say no to drugs. Thank you.
Today is June 26, International Day Against Drug Abuse. We can make our society free of drugs. Say no to drugs. Drugs will make our mind and body down. Drugs is a poison that kills our ambitions. Stay home, stay safe, and stay healthy. Thank you.
एक छोटा सा संसार बसा था, घर में सब में प्यार भरा था, दुख सुख सब सांचा कटता था, दिलों में सबसे सुकून बसा था। एक दिन एक तूफान आया, जब दोस्तों ने खुशी में पैक पकड़ाया, नशे का आदी मुझे बनाया, अंधेरा बेबसी साथ लाया, समझ मुझे तो तब ये आया, चीख रहा था जमी में क्यों, खंदे नशे में दिल को लगाया, नशा नहीं ये विनाश है, महामारी है अभिशाप है, सब पापों को बाप है, मानवता पर श्राप है।
नशे को छोड़ो, रिश्ते को जोड़ो। fine. Today I would like to discuss about the increased use of drugs among children, its side effects and how we can overcome this. Among other problems, the modern society is facing a problem of drug abuse. It is misuse of drugs resulting in physical or psychological harm to the individual. We have various types of drugs like cocaine, hashish, heroin, etc. The use of all these drugs leads to regular intake of these drugs and is called drug addiction. Children get addicted so fast they get fun and become adventurous. The side effects are mood swing, anxiety, depression, irritability, trouble in interpersonal relationship, etc. June 26 is observed as International Day Against Drug Abuse, and this year theme is Share Facts on Drugs Save Lives. Thank you.